Hi lovely people, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well, and if you are new here, welcome and thank you for checking on this channel. Today I'm making Hausa Koko with the Hausa Koko powder I made last week, and I hope you like it. But before I start, let's enjoy this spicy millet drink I made with the powder. I've mixed it with water and a bit of sugar. And yeah, so if you are trying this at home and you don't like sugar, just add honey, sweetener, or syrup. That will be fine. As I always say, no long talk, biao, EBT. Okay, let's get started. I have my water on medium heat. Now I'm going to mix the powder with a bit of water to get a creamy texture. Why I'm using only water is because my powder is very well fermented. But if you think your powder is not well fermented, that means you need a bit of fermented water and a bit of water. Boil it before you make your cocoa to get a perfect taste of cocoa, or else your cocoa will be blah and it's not cute. Okay. So this is what I'm going for. Now check my water and always make sure your water boils very well before you use it to make your cocoa, or else your cocoa will be watery. Now I'm going to pour the water into my mix to start the process. As you can see, the cocoa will start thickening up. Now I'm going to stir it very fast to prevent lumps in the cocoa. This will make your cocoa very creamy and no lumps and nice. Now my cocoa is done. You can serve your cocoa with kose, masa, pinkaso, puff puff, bofrot, bread, name it, darling. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, sharing is caring, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload new video. Subscribe if you haven't yet subscribed, so we keep popping with yumminess. Till next time, peace.